going on, YouTube? Back with another box break for you guys. As I mentioned in my last video, gonna go ahead and bust into this. Wish me luck. I hopefully get something good out of it. And as I mentioned, I got this for Christmas. So yeah, guys. I mean, let's see what we get out of it. I'm not expecting too much. Usually don't have too much luck with the chrome. So we'll see. Maybe a 101. I don't know. We'll see what we get. As long as I get some Cubby stuff, I'm happy. So, alrighty. Let's see here. Okay, let's start off pack number 1. Okay, Russell Martin. Pirates closer, Mark Melancon. Pretty cool Aaron Nola X-Fractor, I believe. I don't think it's numbered. Oh, sorry about that, guys. A little off the camera. It's a cool card right there. Jake Arrieta for the PC. Charlie Blackmon. Felix Hernandez. I believe that's refractor. Sorry, guys. Hopefully it's not too much shine or too much glare on these cards. I'm trying to do the best I can. Frankie Matas, rookie, and Stephen Vogt, something like that. Alright, check number 3. We got Nelson Cruz, not numbered. We got something that looks kind of cool right there. It'd be cool if it's an auto. I'll save that for last. We got an Ichiro, Curtis Granderson. Then we got an Aaron Blair rookie. I don't know what you call these, but it's got some crazy shine to it. And that one there is numbered to 75. So not bad on the color on that one. I really like this design. Topps came out with this design. I thought it was pretty nice. Especially on the chrome, they look really nice. D. Gordon. Alex Smith. Or Malik Smith. Kind of crazy name. Jung Ho Kang. We got Jackie Bradley. I'm just curious, guys. A lot of these cards come out, I mean, as you guys know, come out a little, not bent, but a little warped. What do you guys do about it? Do you guys just leave it like that, or how's it work for you guys? Craig Kimbrell, Ryan Braun, the very sick youth impact, Jose Barrios, not numbered. And Ketel Marte for Seattle. I believe he got traded to the D-backs, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I always wondered because you know, a lot of these cards, the chrome or whatever, they got that bow to them sometimes. So I'm just curious what you guys think. If you guys even mind it. Patrick Corbin. Got a Future Stars, Kevin Kiermaier. Cool card. Sorry about that, off camera over here. So that's pretty nice. Kevin Pillar and a Richie Schaefer rookie. Buster Posey. We got a Peter O'Brien refractor rookie. Taylor Jugman. Yu Darvish. Whatever happened to him, kind of fell off. I know he had injuries and stuff, but I haven't heard much of him anymore. Max Scherzer. Garrett Cole. It's the refractor. Mark Teixeira, purple. That one's numbered at 275. So that's pretty cool. At least we're getting some color. Matt Reynolds rookie. Okay, we got here Todd Frazier, Justin Verlander, a very sick Bryce Harper retrospective, and an even nicer Future Stars Kris Bryant. Awesome right there for the PC. Didn't have that yet. So 2 sick cards back to back. Pretty cool to get the Bryant like that. Mike Trout, Alex Gordon, an X-Factor rookie, Corey Seager, not numbered, and a Luis Severino rookie. So, I mean, not bad so far. I mean, Corey Seager rookie, some numbered stuff, not too bad. Kris Bryant. Let's see here, we got Donald Ventura, and this right here, possibly the auto. No. Okay, Ventura, Brian McCann, refractor, not numbered. You got a Michael Conforto rookie, and a Kevin Kiermaier. I've seen Michael Conforto actually was signing his autographs, but it looked like he was signing most for Topps because I haven't gotten anything back from Panini yet. Hopefully he starts sending his redemptions back. Obel Herrera, Future Stars. Oh, there we go. First auto for Texas. Tyler White. I believe it's a refractor auto. Yeah, number to 499. And I heard he's actually pretty good, so I'm not going to complain about this one right here. Pretty nice. And let's see here. Drafted number 3, or 33 overall, I believe. So that's cool right there. I'll take that. Not a bad auto. Iwakuma and Danny Murphy. So not bad. Not bad auto. I've seen worse. Let's see here. We got Jacob deGrom, Salvador Perez, Marcus Stroman, X-Factor, and Yoenis Cespedes. So we got Tulu, X-Factor, Nick Markakis, Luis Severino rookie, and it's actually a different and Malik Smith. It's actually a different variation of the other one, so it might be a short print. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, or what you guys, if you guys know, because there's both rookies right there. Luis Severino throwing, and the other one where he's cocked back ready to throw. So let me know what you guys think. I have no idea. Yeah, it's the same number card, so I guess it is a short print. Alright. So that's pretty cool. Got to figure out which one's the short print. We got a Melky Cabrera, refractor, Dustin Pedroia. Awesome right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Future Stars, Kris Bryant. To be honest with you guys, this card and the other Kris Bryant pretty much made it for me. Beautiful, beautiful right there. It's an awesome box already. And Julio Teheran. I feel like I got bad luck pulling Bryant, so it's nice to see a couple Bryant cards in there. And really nice ones at that. So we'll see right here. Edwin Encarnacion, Kyle Seager, David Ortiz saying goodbye, Garrett Cole. Alright, we got a David Price in a Boston jersey, Bryce Harper, and another awesome card right here, Carl Edwards Jr., Youth Impact for the Cubs. Sick card for the PC, didn't have that either. Adrian Beltre. I'm a little guy crying in the background. I'm trying to hurry through these last couple packs. Mark Teixeira, Ichiro, Very sick card right here. Too bad he passed away, but sick right there. Jose Fernandez Chronicles. I don't know if that's numbered. I don't know how often these come out, but that's a sick card right there. And Trevor Rosenthal. Alright guys, a couple more packs. 6 packs maybe. Awesome right there. Addison Russell, another card I didn't have for the PC. Roberto Osuna, Future Stars. Chen. And Ro Mondesi Jr. I think he's a junior. Let's see here. Francisco Lindor, very nice card. Looks like it's a refractor. No, it's not. Aroldis Chapman, rocking the Yankees uni. Adrian Gonzalez, beautiful card. What's it called? Perspectives. That's what the other one was too. Perspective. What the heck I said earlier, but Jason Kipnis. Dude's a monster. He's a good player right there. He was definitely tough on the Cubbies. Francisco Liriano. Brad Ziegler. Perspectives. Mark Teixeira. Sorry, I kind of went off the camera a little bit. Peter O'Brien. 3 more packs. Still need 1 more auto. Let's see what we get. Hopefully something with color. Nope, no color. It's an Oreo. We'll leave that for last, I guess. Trying to think of who the Orioles have that's any good. Adrian Gonzalez. Refractor. David Ortiz. Prince Fielder. Joey Rickard. It's probably going to be this guy. Steve Matz, Johnny Knoxville, thrown out a first pitch in Dodger Stadium. Not numbered, but pretty cool card. Luke Jackson, Hector Olivera. So let's see if I'm right. Stephen Piscotty, Greg Bird, Justin Upton, and the auto is, yep, I was right, Joey Rickard. So I mean, not bad. This Tyler White is definitely the card right here of the break. Well, in autos wise, my favorite right here, guys. You got the Carlos Jr., which is a beautiful card, but these two right here made the break for me. Chris Bryant, Future Stars. Well, I guess they're both Future Stars, but yeah, very beautiful cards right there. Awesome right there. Jake and Addison. So yeah, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, there you go. That's what I got right there. So yeah, guys, you guys have a good one. Enjoy the rest of the holidays, and see you guys soon. Later, guys.